Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hi-Fi May. If you have BMW 5 Series E60 for the car with CCC system, but if your car don't have AUX, you cannot install the Android screen or Apple CarPlay box. In that case, you need to add the AUX to the car. Today, I will introduce this kit. This is the AUX kit we offer. You can order from our website here. Now, let me show you the details first. This is the AUX jack. It has 3 pins, right? And we offer 2 plastic brackets like this. AUX cable we offer. And we offer the AUX activator here. There's a cable like this here, and activator like this. There's a button here, just like this. Also, we offer the guidance here. It shows step by step. Now, I will show you how to add the AUX cable to this harness. Now look at this connector, right? There's 12 pins here. Here is the diagram for the AUX pins here. The white color is this pin, right? The first one. Insert it. And on the side, there is the black color, right? Black color is the ground, and the red color is on the other side. And then you just insert to the power cable, just like this. Then will be okay. Connect to the head unit on the back. That way it will have the AUX here. And you can install this AUX in the armrest box. Then will be fine. Now, let me introduce the original head unit. In the original head unit, you can see this is the video cable. This is the connector. It can remove from the original display. Take it out. Here. This is the original video cable. I just keep like this. So we can transfer the cables like this. You can see this cable connect to this one here. See? And connect this cable to original display. There's a locker here. We connect this cable in order to activate the AUX in the menu. And this white connector here connect to the activator here, just like this. After connect the activator, you can power on the car. Now when the car is powered on, you can hold the button for 3 seconds. The light is on, and it will activate the AUX in the menu. You need to wait some time. It will restart the head unit. restart it. Okay, you can see the AUX is activated. After that, you can connect to the phone to test the audio